am Professor Pushpita Chakraborty, and I have been working in the nursing field from more than 40 years. I have completed my BSc Nursing from All India Medical Sciences, Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi, and secured first position there. And I worked as a staff in Silchar Medical College for 6 years. Then I joined in Regional Nursing College as lecturer to associate professor to professor. Then I have been transferred to Silchar Medical College when the new college has been established there as a professor cum vice principal, and worked there for 5 years till my retirement. I retired in the year 2015, and there was a special call from International Hospital School and College of Nursing, because that time it was not College of Nursing. They wanted to open College of Nursing and they were searching for a new principal for that post, and they invited me as a principal and I joined here. That time it was known as International Hospital College of Nursing. Then we started 2016, our college opened and started with very minimum student because it was new, institution took time. So like that we could start, and now our strength is more than 250. So I am working as a principal both school and college of nursing. Here college, school both are working under International Hospital, but it is a matter of joy that Apollo Hospitals Educational Trust, they have taken over our institution and renamed as Apollo School of Nursing and Apollo College of Nursing, and I am working as a principal there. So till this time, I have worked many years of experience in the as a staff to teacher and some managerial role, supervisor, all these roles I have taken up, and I have completed almost all these things up to 40 years I have completed. So now I am in this institution. In the meantime, I have done some research work. I was the research guide. I was the guide of PhD also, and I have I have published many papers in the journals and the local newspaper of my work. So I was the course writer of IGNOU, and I have completed many course writing in IGNOU, which is Open University of Indira Gandhi National Open University, and like that this going on. And I do not like to say more because resource person, being principal, being professor, I was invited many colleges, many schools, even all covering all the northeast region. Like Manipur, IMCOL I have gone many times as a research person, as an examiner, question setter. I have gone to Mizoram, Aizawl, I have gone to Nagaland, Kohima, I have gone to Arunachal, I have gone to Calcutta many times. So like that, Shillong many times, like that my exposure is. So this is very brief introduction about me, and they will know other students also will know.
Thank you for the introduction, ma'am. So then next question is, ma'am, what keeps you connected towards the education sector?
Actually, I am in the nursing field for a long time, not only an academician but also as an administrator, and I love nursing. That is one thing. So before retirement, I got special call from International Hospital, I said to you also. And that time my retirement age has not come, but they were asking me to join as a principal. They found me, I do not know, maybe very good. That's why I came. And education, when you say about education and connection, really it is very much good, and no teacher can say no. Because all the teachers, they believe that if they can impart their knowledge in the field of any profession, so they are happy. I am also happy on that. That is why I am connected with that, because now I have seen from that time onwards, first era, if I see that there are many things that come up in nursing profession, nursing has various scopes and various education. Somehow I have learned many things. My experience is different. Now new knowledge, new technology, new advanced things have come, and it is a mixture of old and new. So if I come and impart my experience to my educational part, to my colleagues and all, so naturally there is a mixture, and it will give good care or good prognosis for everything. That is why I think it is better to connect with education since I love nursing profession.
Next one, what inspired you to purchase a career in higher education as an administration, and what do you offer to your current role as a principal?
Principal current role, if I say, principal has many things to do, and everything should come to the principal, because everybody, my colleagues, my juniors, my subordinate staff, they are looking for what principal will see. See, in that case, role is vast. So I have to take initiative a role as an administrator, as an educator, as a supervisor, as a caretaker, as a counselor. All these roles as a principal I have to perform. At the same time, the administration, how we can do our administration to run smoothly, those things also I have to see. So in that way, role is vast. Sometimes so many things are coming which is very much difficult, causing stress also how to handle it. Because I would like to say that now our management is in AHED, under umbrella of AHED we are working, so which is located in Chennai. Sometimes it is little bit difficult to correspond with them, but still we have good communication and we are getting all the support from them and we are doing all of it. So in that case, role I am doing, and I say my teachers, I groom them in that way that they can also perform the role accordingly, independent role.
Being the principal of Apollo College of Nursing, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institution?
Okay, good question, but something little bit difficult, marketing and all. But strategies, if I say, we have to systematically identify and track outreach services of the College of Nursing. And we have to develop a collaborative engagement and relationship with other hospital or our hospital or practice and academy. And we have to expand engagement with the alumni so that we can get them. So these are, and there are engagement of different scopes, so that we can take all these scopes and engage, and we can do all these things in such a way that we can do our marketing very nicely. To me, marketing is very difficult. So being principal, I have taken people, we need people, so for promotion of our material in the form of flyers, brochure and placard and some other text, banner, then TV, social media, then like that we have to focus so that they know it. Because nowadays you just see expansive nursing colleges are many. Earlier only 3 government colleges. Now there are 16, 19, 21 private colleges coming up. And there is many competition. Yes, competition. In that way, to get the students, and this little bit difficult and competitive way we have to work. So in that way, we have to, promotional material is very much important, and we have to have some people so that they can work for that. And recently, we have engaged some teachers also when they are going for vacation or any other time, they are going to home. So they can expand their knowledge in the field of nursing and how they can enter in the profession. Those things we have done through our teachers also. And personnel also will go some of the schools and already visited some of the schools, and we have contacted some TV person so that they can publish all these things in the media so that they can aware the students, young generation, nursing aspirant girls can come and know about this profession. They do not know. Moreover, nowadays there is a common entrance examination which is mandatory, and many students they do not know. Last time we had a problem because we didn't get the students, many whatever strength is there, we didn't get because they are not aware of the common entrance examination which is conducted by our health university. So for that we are doing all this, and promotional material we have developed and we are doing also.
The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured differently. In your experience, what can you inbound student gain from studying in your institution?
Well, nursing nowadays from a less recognized profession, now today it is very much amazing and in-demand profession. So in that way, the people are taking, and many people they know, even the guardians they know, and they are coming forward for taking this profession very nicely. And if we talk about the Western culture, the Western nursing, or from India also, there are many migrations. They are going to foreign countries. They learn, they know, they learn, and they adopt all these things. How nursing is going on in abroad. And if we say comparison, so nursing in India, anybody can do nursing with knowledge, of course, some without knowledge. But particularly in a foreign country, abroad, they do not have like this. Whatever they do, they are more applicable. They apply all these things where we cannot apply. Of course, nowadays, if we see the first technology and very much newest technology skills, our girls are not less than that. They are doing very nicely. And the girls who have gone to foreign countries abroad for service or for any other reason, they come back and they share their knowledge to our students, to our people, to nursing profession. So then all will be motivated to how to work. The work culture is more in foreign countries than India. And some of the states, of course, they are taking it very nicely, and they are giving this individual pattern also. Some individuals they take very interested way, not for salary only. They are doing very nicely. So they are getting, and now the Apollo brand. If we say Apollo brand, you will see multicultural people are coming and joining in this brand. And we are also seeing there, and they are learning many things because it is a limitless learning. They are getting opportunities, first opportunity, and they can, and because nursing is their second profession they are taking, not the first profession, though they should take it as first, but we are finding till now the second or third profession like that. Apollo brand, we are getting many things, and because in Apollo you will see all the newest technologies are there. And so Apollo, whatever Apollo in India is there, many girls they can go and they can do simulation lab and other things. They can learn there from many things. So it is really, that is why Apollo brand is always good and always giving newest technology very sincerely. They can do all work very nicely. So I think when the students will come and see the Apollo, they will understand. If I say, it's not more to say actually. If they come, see and do, then they will learn many things.
How does the curriculum of Apollo College of Nursing ensure the best practice of industry?
Okay, fine. So the current curriculum of Apollo College of Nursing always strives the newest technology. The newest technology, current guidelines, current protocols, they follow it. So in that way, they are doing not like that earlier whatever they are doing only the order and do, not like that. Evidence-based practice. So we always do evidence-based practice because there are research, meta-analysis. With that meta-analysis, we find which research is best for caring the patient, which type of care is necessary. That we are doing. Then another thing is very important in Apollo College of Nursing and Apollo brand, I am telling, that communication. Communication, because soft skill training when they are coming for induction, that time communication skill training is also given. Though in our curriculum, that is one of the topic from first year to fourth year curriculum in this communication is there. But still that time students are not giving much importance and they are going and they are dealing according to their own way. But when they are getting the stuff, that time this communication skill has been taught to them, how they can communicate to whom, what type of way. So that is very good. Then all the advanced technology like BLS, then ACLS, ACLC skill, all are here. They are involved in infection control. So infection control, we know the infection is major things. Any hospitals without infection, nobody can survive. Because we know that infection, anytime people are coming, the patients are coming. Patients are having some infection. So when the others are going, naturally they are very much prone to get the infection. So infection control is there. Time to time they are doing the infection control material. They are doing all the slides and all. See whatever organism is present in that particular room, OT and all these things. So those things are always practiced in the branded hospital, especially in Apollo. So these students, staff, they are participating in many national health policies and programs, and they attend the, another thing I would say, they attend the patient with compassion. Though not all hospital students they are doing, but Apollo is something different. They are attending the patient with compassion, and they are taking the feedback, how they like the patients. Patients' feedback from is always there, and they see all it. So in that way, Apollo curriculum, though it is curriculum is everywhere there, but being sophisticated branded hospital, so we always maintain the standard, not the minimum, but we maintain the standard and quality care of the patient. So these are some of the areas the curriculum has been imposed and implemented in Apollo Hospital.
What was your vision for this institution? How it has evolved over time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you in?
Okay, there are 3 questions here. One, I will give first answer is the vision. Vision, we are advocates for people by promoting the delivery of the right care at the right time. That we practice human being. Our ears are always open to listen the patient calling or patient's anything problem. We love our patient. So at the same time, we always extend our supportive hand to our patient so that we can maintain the care and we can maintain the standard of life. Then for that, we have to provide the knowledge, skill and values to the students so that they can sensitize about the challenges. Many challenges are coming. Challenges in both life situation, academic and as well as academic field and the life situation. And to increase their knowledge, this learning needs or teaching learning process for students, with our mentors, our faculty, we always used to make them to be compassionate and to practice confidently or professionally. They should be confident and ethically sound. These are some of the things, this vision we always fulfill, and we see that they can practice this thing in a right way. Then second is evolution. So evolved, how evolved? So evolution, all professional undergo some evolution. Nursing also is not exceptional. So nursing is as old as human history. So nursing, how people can take, that is different way. But nursing was so old, and everybody caring and nurturing, this is all nursing. So nursing, if we see from Florence Nightingale time and today, Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, the modern nursing educators, social fighter, so she has given so much of introduction about the education. So educational scope has been expanded. So for that educational scope, the nurses are going many education, many times they can go up to PhD degree. So this over time, this evolution has given some of the thought that yes, nursing is not less than other profession, and they can give the care to our patient and provide best care so that we can influence our nursing people to give more and more care and with their educational knowledge background. Because without educational knowledge, if they practice, that I also can do. A layman also can practice like that way. But here education is given, and this is given more importance since Florence Nightingale time, and now it is also going to be expanded and expanded. And how far along with implementing that vision are you? Well, so that what I should say, since I am still here for more than 40 years, so as long as I am in the profession, directly I am involved in that. Indirectly also, whenever anybody asks me to help or to support, I am always ready to extend my supportive hand and to dedicate them anything they want. I will be there, because I always believe in that we have to give some care. Caring is our main attitude, and motto is confidence is our capacity and perfection is our goal. In that way, perfectly, confidently, if we give care to a patient, since I am alive and since I am active, as long as I am active, I am ready to give my care.
Thank you, ma'am.